Hey guys, in this video we're going to see if the Vevor air compressor, we're going to see if it can make our tire pressure go from this to this. So will it do it? Let's find out. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Chris from Off-Road Nation 606. So today we're going to do a review on the Vevor air compressor. So this one here is from Vevor. It comes with its own carrying case. It's pretty nice. So you've got your air hose, and it comes with a couple different attachments. This one here is a quick connect. Now here is the air compressor. Now this one here goes up to 10, I believe it's 10.6 CFM, and it does 150 PSI. So right there is the model of it. So looking closer, as you can see, you got a digital screen. So your plus and minus is to adjust your tire pressure, whatever PSI you want. The M's for your units, that will change it if you don't want it to read in PSI. And then you got your main power button. And this compressor is powered by your battery. Now I would highly recommend, if you use this, to make sure your vehicle is running, because I believe it will use a pretty good amount of power. So you might be wondering why I decided to go with this instead of the onboard. And the reason for that is I figured, like, maybe on a road trip it'd be a lot easier to be able to pack this around different vehicles, or if I do get another Jeep one day, I can just go back and forth with that. And it's a lot cheaper than going with the power tank. I think the power tank is really good, but for the price of this, I don't think you can go wrong. So in this compressor, you can choose whether to do preset mode, which is you put in whatever tire pressure you want, and it'll work until it gets to that amount. Or you can do non-stop mode, which is like if you want to use a blow nozzle. So they give you a couple different attachments also. One looks like a blow nozzle, and I got a couple other things. And the hose looks to be pretty good. It's actually a quick connect hose. And then you've got your end piece. This is for the quick connect, and that just screws on there. So this is real simple, real quick and easy. So we're going to take our hose they give us, connect it on there just like a regular air hose. Then we're going to come over here and use our quick connect and hook that up. And then you hook your battery cables up. And now we'll come over to the air compressor. And I'm going to change this to PSI. And I'm going to set this at 35 PSI. So I'm going to set a timer, and I want to see how long it takes this air compressor to go from 10 PSI to 35. So when it gets done, it will go to 35 PSI. That right there is showing your exact tire pressure. This one here, I don't know if it's just a battery thing, but whenever it's filling up, it does shut off a little bit. I'm sure it's normal. But we filled a 38-inch tire up from 10 PSI to 35 PSI in 3 minutes and 36 seconds. So I really don't think that's bad at all. So that would give you an estimate about around 12 minutes, 13 minutes to do all four, which I don't think is bad at all. Because a lot of times when you're on the trail, you'll be stopping a lot. And I'm actually pretty impressed with this air compressor. Definitely does good. And what times it don't kick off, it does seem to air up pretty quick. It's definitely powerful for what it is. But one thing I really like about it, it's quick and convenient. Very easy to get out of the Jeep real quick and hook everything up, especially considering it's got its own carrying case. I really like these quick connects, but definitely happy with it. I mean, that's a 38-inch tire, so I believe a regular truck or car tire would definitely be a lot faster. So, is the Vevor air compressor worth it? I definitely think so. It definitely stood to the test and done it in a reasonable time. So I believe that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to do a review of this air compressor. If you want to see some more videos like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It definitely helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.